There you go, Tor. That's my tour boy. Want to have a grooming. Angel. That's my angel. Ready for grooming. O, diba? Oh. Waiting for the yung mag-ano sa kanila. Kukuha dahil ang laki-laki. Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya. Ang laki. Baliktad pa naman yung lagay ni Daddy ng That's not the right one. Diba? Ang laki talaga nila, guys. Hindi namin kaya ni Daddy. Kaya bihira namin silang madala sa labas. Ayan.
Well, I had this one done in 21, and then I had this one done last year.
They are so big.
Can it help you? Oh, I'm out of pain.
Yeah, ready. Ready sa grooming na sila.